Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a simple flip cup on a 12 by 12 canvas, and we're going to be using some cool colors. And I'm just going to do one cup, and I will spray that with my WD-40 silicone spray so that all the paint comes out. So since this is a 12 by 12, I need at least 5 ounces of paint. So I'm probably going to end up doing almost probably about half of this cup, because it's always the edges that I don't want to stretch it too much. So we will start with white. And I'm going to go ahead and follow that with the silver. I need to fix that. It always shoots sideways. And then I'll go with the Lucas Indigo. This is one of my favorite colors. It's such a dark, dark, dark blue, and it looks fantastic with the silver. We will follow that with the Deco Art Teal Topaz, the Craft Smart Seamus Pearl, and the Artist Loft Light Violet. Just a hint of purple in there. Back to the silver, the indigo blue. As you can see, I'm not layering. I only layer when I do a dirty pour. And I'll give it just a little shot of white down the middle to break it all up. So we should have plenty of paint. The nice thing I like with the WD-40 too is you can peek inside your cup to see what colors are on the side, so you know which way to tip your cup. You're not going to pull it straight up. A lot of people do. I don't do that. I don't like the drips. So I always make sure I know which way I'm going to go. And I see all my darker colors here, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my canvas around. And pull forward and release. Pretty. Teal Topaz is so pretty. So you can see all the cells that I already have. And I didn't waste any paint there. Popping the air bubbles. And if you're new, subscribe while you're here. Just want to make sure that that's not a clump. Maybe it's just a deep bubble. Yep, deep bubble. And I'm just going to move it around. I like to use my hands as a corner catcher. I'm losing my violet there, but it's opening up there. I don't want to lose the dark blue in the corner. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I have to bring just a smidge over that side. There we go. So this, when I do flip cups, I usually use them for backgrounds, unless they're like so gorgeous that I have to save them to be alone by themselves. But I'm already seeing something I might want to do on this painting. But we'll see, because Nate is coming November 7th, and he's staying until the 14th. So I'm sure he's going to dig through all of my backgrounds and want to embellish something. And he's more than welcome to. We are going to be doing a lot of collab work, so we'll see what we come up with. I have tons of canvas ready to go, and I think we're going to have a good time. And we have a lot of places to go too, so. I'm just checking to see if any of those dark blue cells want to come up. I don't see anything coming. So we're good. The metallics are beautiful. So there you have it, guys. So subscribe, click like and share, leave a comment, check out all the links below, shop with me on Amazon and Etsy and Redbubble. And watch for our 50,000 subscriber giveaway. Our sponsor giveaway is November 1st. There's still time to donate to get entered for that. The PayPal link is below. And I think this one is a keeper. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.